This is Ashwin Tyagi, Theme Ambience Constructions Private Limited. We are a 30-year-old company with a track record of building some landmarks in the Twin Cities, namely Whisper Valley, Sapnolok, etc. Now we have three projects, ongoing projects. One is Golfview, which is constructed on a land of 4 acres, and number of blocks are 5. And each block is cellar, stilt is the parking, 14 floors are the apartments. We have apartments ranging from 1130 square feet onwards goes up to 2050. The quoted rate now is 3490 per SFT. It has all the modern facilities, modern amenities, which includes a clubhouse, outdoor sports and indoor games also. And first phase will be handing over of 164 apartments in June, July this year. And the balance 2 blocks will be handing over December 2013, and the balance 1 block will be handing over in December 2014. We have got one more project, Fort View, which is near Langar House. It has also got about 300 apartments. First phase of 45 apartments, first block is already handed over and people are living there with all the amenities, club, swimming pool, etc. And we have one independent villa project named as Lakeview near Sheikhpet, that is near Dargah, which is very close to Jubilee Hills, about a kilometer from Jubilee Hills. There we have 18 independent houses. Each plot area is 278 square yards of land with a built-up area of 3000 square feet. It's a duplex house which is costing approximately 1.5 crores and which will be handed over by the end of this year. All residential. Right now we have all residential projects only. Right now we don't have commercial projects, but commercial project is in the pipeline. It is near pillar number 174 on the expressway which goes from Maidipatnam to airport. There we have an 8-acre land. On that, in 4.5 acre, we are going to coming out with a commercial complex along with this multiplex also. And there will be apartments backside 4 acres. Apartments will be there. Market present situation, as far as we are concerned, the present situation is good for a buyer. It is basically a buyer's market, and we hope that prices do improve from this junction, and this is the right time for a property buyer to clinch the deal so that he gets a better bargaining price.